Hey guys, this is Will here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Let's take a little shop walk and kind of see what all we got going on. So this is a moss green TJ Brute. Got it fully repainted. Got the frame, I believe it was like a dry ice blasting, and got it coated. Got a worn winch up in the front. We're waiting on rock rails for that one right now. And we also got a 2026 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. It's gonna be in the 41 exterior paint. We're doing an AEV 2-inch spacer kit lift, 35-inch tires with some 1552 wheels. Looks like Forrest has already gotten started. He's got the AEV spacer kit already installed in the rear. Then we got the front AEV spacer kit up in the front. So it's gonna bring, the vehicle up 2 inches. Then over here, we got a Hellcat-swapped Gladiator. Did a high clearance rear bumper. It's not installed currently. We're waiting for it to get back from powder coat. We swapped out the orange protection rings for some black protection rings. We also debadged it. Got an AEV front bumper with off-road lights and worn winch. Got a nice brand new fair lead. We'll walk over here to this Mojito build as well. Give you a little update on that one since our last video. So this is a 2026 Mojito Gladiator. It's gonna be on 40-inch tires, KMC wheels. We also did the fender chop as well. Back out a little bit. I believe all we're waiting on this one is the inner fender Evo liners. But everything is just about done. Looking good. But other than that, you can see we are busy. Got a ton of work ahead of us. But a lot of cool stuff going on. I cannot wait for the Mojito build to be done. And the moss green AEV Brute. The Sahara is going to look really nice, so be sure to stay tuned. I'll make another video on whenever the Brute's done, and also the 41 Sahara build. And the Hellcat Gladiator, we're just waiting on the rear bumper to get powder coated, like I said earlier. And we are also waiting to get the coilover set installed. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Y'all have a wonderful day.